President Emerson Mnangagwa has unveiled an ambitious redevelopment project for Mbare, promising to transform the local market, recently damaged by a government-led clearance, into a modernized hub with expanded facilities. Sana mashukuru mnangagwa panapa nivakomana tinoona vatira mashukuru kuti aiwa mutungamiriri wenyika yeZimbabwe afunga kuti aiwa Mbare tauda kuti iite senge hotera even 3 mastory markets. Subscribe or like on the bell. The revitalized Mbare traders market will include a budget hotel, cold rooms, and a 3-story structure designed to accommodate up to 10,000 traders. Local government and public work minister Hotera Kuvakwa shared details of the plans, emphasizing the government's commitment to building better and bigger to support local commerce and enhance the structure for traders. The construction project is expected to be completed within 6 months. We are now at the stage where we are finalizing the design. The president directed that we should build better and bigger, said Minister Garwe. This has now become part of the regeneration exercise that we are launching. Thomas Kwambra tokopana vanakomana vachiti aiwa vada kutransforma the Mbare market amozoti yakatsva yakapisiwa. Vanabva vatora mashoko vachiti aiwa toda kuitransforma kuti even a 3-story market nemafeatures aiwa anenge nemafacilities akamira sekuti ground floor inenge ne1st floor ichange iine the Mbare hotel. Tudze mavhunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pemashoko awo pina comment section medu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.